Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to clear cache on your iPhone. So today I'll show you how you can clear. Then you can just tap on the settings. Then you should find your apps. All right. Then you just click on the apps. Then you can choose the Safari browser. Safari browser, and then you see Safari browser. Then here in showing menu option, you can just find the data privacy. Just do it. Yeah, I got it. Now I have set data and clear history. You can just tap here. Then all you can just specific delete last 1 hour, today, yesterday, and all right. Then you can also you can enable all all tabs. Then clear. Yeah, it is done. This is easy, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.